This guide will help you navigate the process of enabling the Elden Ring installation loop for 2025. Follow the steps below to ensure a smooth setup. Step 1. Check system requirements. Before proceeding, verify that your system meets the minimum requirements for Elden Ring. This includes checking your operating system, processor, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Download the game. Visit the official game platform or store where Elden Ring is available. Purchase and download the game files to your computer or console. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection during this process. Step 3. Install the game. Locate the downloaded game files and initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Make sure to select the correct installation directory if prompted. Step 4. Configure game settings. Once the installation is complete, launch the game and access the settings menu. Adjust the graphics, audio, and control settings according to your preferences to enhance your gaming experience. Step 5. Enable installation loop. To enable the installation loop, navigate to the game's configuration files or settings menu. Look for an option related to installation or updates and toggle it to enable the loop feature. Save your changes and restart the game if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully enable the installation loop for Elden Ring in 2025. Enjoy your gaming experience.